Hey everyone, if your Discord server settings are not working, like you can't change roles, channels, or permissions in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Discord server settings problems. First, check if you have admin permissions. Without proper access, you cannot change important server settings. Next, check role hierarchy. I mean, your role must be higher than the roles you are trying to manage. Now restart your Discord application. Sometimes settings fail to load due to temporary glitches or bugs. Go to server settings and check permissions carefully. I mean, some options may be restricted by default roles or settings. Also, check for conflicting roles. Overlapping permissions can sometimes break control over server settings. If you are using bots, disable them temporarily. I mean, some bots may interfere with server configuration. Finally, update Discord or rejoin the server. This helps fix syncing issues and restores normal functionality. So yeah, that's how you fix Discord server settings problems in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your server should work normally again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes.